All right, so here's how you set an appointment in terms of notifying the lead and putting it on my calendar, notifying me. So let's just say you're in here, you're talking to a lead. I'm just going to grab a random one. You're talking to this Richard person. Richard says, yes, I'd like to meet with you guys. Great. So what you're going to do is you're going to say to Richard, it's in the script, you're going to talk to him about what day and time works best, and then you're going to actually put it on the calendar. So copy and paste his name. Go to your calendar, which you get to through here. These little 9 little squares on top. Click here on calendar. Take you to your calendar. As you can see on your calendar, all you're seeing is my stuff. This week's kind of weird. Starting next week, it'll start looking like this. The appointment times, this gray areas that you see, there's 6 of them. That's where I want the appointment scheduled for. So when you're talking to a lead, in this case, you'd be talking to Richard. When you're talking to Richard, you would find a time that works in here. All the appointments need to be set for an hour and a half. They generally only take about an hour. However, I want extra time in case they take longer. So let's just say you and Richard agreed to Monday at 1 o'clock. You always call it list appoint for list appointment. You're going to edit it. You'll put it right onto my calendar. You'll paste Richard's name into there. You'll select this green right here. Go back. I always want his phone number in there as well. Lastly, what you're going to put in for me is address. And that's all you'll do, and change it to an hour and a half. So it starts at 1, ends at 2:30. Hit save. Okay? So that appointment's on there. So you have the appointment on the calendar. Perfect. The next thing you'll do is you're going to send Richard an email. When you're on the phone with him, you'll ask him what his email is. If they don't have one, you have to skip this step, but let's just put one in there just for fun. At noemail.com. Save. So you'll go over here to send email. And see here it says email quick text. Appointment email. That's nice. It puts it right in there, and so you'll say appointment Monday at 1 p.m. Go ahead and copy that. And then it's real simple. So you can see there's a few places you have to plug information in. Oops. So then you'll see here's all the stuff in the email. But if you look in there, it says when we get together, go over this. We have attached a seller book. The seller book will be in the email to you. I cannot include this in this template. You have to add it every time. So you just go to attach file, find where it is in your system, and attach it. And then you simply hit save, send now. It'll send the email to Richard. And then in here, you put in your notes. I spoke with Richard and blah, 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 blah. Okay? And you can see down here, so if you're like, wait, did I send the email to Richard? Did I remember to do it? You go on down to here. You can see it's right here. So you know you sent it. So that is what you do when you set up an appointment. Please let me know if you have any questions.